For me, it has always started with quality. Ultra premium quality, the best ingredients, the most innovative formulas that you can't find anywhere else, and the most stringent manufacturing certifications and procedures. Hi, I'm BK Boreyko, and this is how Body Pro products are and will be made. In a large, established, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for liquid and powder, dietary and nutritional supplements. And this building, it's a controlled access building. We just don't let anybody in here. They barely let me in here, with 24-hour security monitoring and video surveillance, rigorous certifications to make sure that this facility is of the highest quality. For instance, these 3 buildings are almost 250,000 square feet. That's big enough to fit 3 full-size football fields and still have a little extra room left over for the locker rooms. And it has a daily capacity of 400,000 units of bottles or powdered products, like our future Body Pro shakes or our Body Strong product. The 2 canning lines with a daily capacity, get a load of this, 1 million cans, with plans for a state-of-the-art encapsulation line specifically designed to manufacture our new 10 flagship product. And as I said before, quality and innovation is crucial to the Body Pro success, to your success. All of these raw materials are brought in and they're placed in a quarantine for testing. We test for heavy metals, insecticides, pesticides, other impurities that you haven't even thought of, and of course, potency, certified organic, halal, NSF, kosher, safety, quality foods. It also runs non-GMO products. And on production day, this thing gears up. The ingredients for these, it's like a big recipe, are gathered together and they're checked 3 times to ensure that everything is there in the proper amounts and everything is exact. And then they're transferred to a batching room where they're blended, they're mixed, they're combined. If it's a liquid product, from there it begins a journey over stainless steel pipes, delivering the mix to be combined with purified water created from the reverse osmosis machines that are located right behind the settling tanks, and then back out to the filler room. Now, get a load of this filler room. The filler room is a clean room with positive air pressure. It's like my house, everything's positive. Clean, filtered air is constantly being pumped in to push out any particles from entering. There are so many air changes per hour, and it's pressurized by 1 psi over atmospheric. I don't know what that means, but it's important. On the other side is the exit for the filling room, where it's filled and capped and bottled and exited for labeling. The plant also has a line for heat pasteurized products, and it boasts 2 fillers that is capable of cranking out 800 cans a minute. That's 13 cans a second. Get your calculators out. A case of 24 cans about every 2 seconds. It's amazing. So why am I excited about showing you canning equipment? You're probably asking yourself that. Because the future of Body Pro in 2018 includes cans, hopefully a lot of cans, people. With Body Pro's future plans to include the very popular Happy and the Be Happy in ready-to-drink cans, that is going to disrupt the $22 billion domestic energy drink market with a smart energy drink. Think about it. Body Impact, you're gonna love this. We'll add a new dimension to your Body Pro business by allowing you to tap into the multi-billion-dollar weight loss arena through an innovative protein and thermogenic formula, lightly carbonated, tastes delicious. We're also gonna give you a delicious meal replacement shake and a powerful probiotic to make sure that your body has the proper gut balance. It's so important. And when you hear more about these products and our unique approach to weight management, you're gonna probably have a hard time sleeping at night. But who knows? We may create a formula to help you with that as well. Now, towards the end of 2018, Strong will appear in a ready-to-drink form, making great nutrition even easier to get. And you can't forget about the kids, especially with me. And we're working on a growing Strong formula that every parent will want for their children. I know I want it for my kids. At Body Pro, you can be assured of ultra premium quality produced at a manufacturing facility where every step of the process is carefully monitored each and every step of the way. It is one of the most important ways that our commitment to create the finest, most innovative products available becomes a reality. And we deliver all of this quality to your doorstep and soon to doorsteps all around the world. So, from my family to yours, thanks for listening and thanks for trusting Body Pro.